Hello and welcome to Mr. Roberts Science. I'm Mr. Roberts, your host today, and today we're going to learn how to use SPARKvue to capture data. SPARKvue is a great program that lets us connect to sensors and graph data on our computer. So let's give it a try. Now, you see that I only have the sensors built into my computer right now. So to access more, I need to click on the Bluetooth icon. You'll see that it's showing there are no available devices. So I'm going to take my sensor. I'm going to hold down the power button until the battery lights up, and then you'll see our sensor shows up as available to connect. I'll click on it, it'll connect to it, and then it'll be listed under connected devices. Now, if I want to use it, I click done, and my sensor list shows these. So let's select illumination, and here we are on the data capture screen. Now, there's a couple important things here. One is our sample rate. Right now, we're set at sampling at 1 Hertz. We could set that as slightly faster, or if we're doing more long-term data, maybe we only care about what the illumination is every 10 seconds. We could also set automatic stop conditions, such as stop after, say, 5 hours. Okay? Clicking on the green button lets us start recording data. So we can see that the illumination in this room is around like 8:34. Let's change that sample rate. 10 seconds is a little too long for our purposes right now. So I put that back to 1 Hertz, and let's record. Okay, we see that data, and I can put my hand over it. Okay, so I'm going to stop. Now, if I want to do something else with this data, I can actually export it. And I do that by clicking on the sharing icon up here. And I can save my SparkLab, or I can export my data. So that'll save it as a CSV or a TXT file. And then you can then open that in Excel and do more analysis on your data. While we're looking at the graph, let's look at a couple of the fun things we can do. This button scales to fit, so it makes it so I can see everything. I can click at any point, and it gives me an option of whether I want to see what the value is right there, or I can click on another point, and I can add a text annotation. I can zoom in if I wanted to see data a little more clearly. And when I'm done, I can just go home. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.